Here is the Air King 9530. This is a great fan. I really like it. However, it does have one pretty bad aspect to it, which is the tilt adjustment. It's extremely difficult to tilt, and it just makes this horrible sound as you adjust it. A friend just told me that if you take the fan and just tilt it rapidly for like a minute, the mechanism, I guess, is so cheap that it just wears out and starts to operate with a reasonable amount of force. So we're going to give that a try now. I guess I'll put it on the floor because it'll be easier to hold it in place. And I'm just going to move it back and forth and see what happens. You're kidding. That's unreal. I could feel something like tabs wore out or something. It's like it broke in, and now it's pretty reasonable. It's still a bit tight, but at least I can move it now with a reasonable amount of force. That's incredible. That is so much better now. That's ridiculous, but it worked.